Hello, this is our Turkish chandelier and we're going to show you how to mount the chandelier to the ceiling. When you get the chandelier, there are two main wires connected. First, you are going to split those two wires into two wires each, which will make 4 wires. Then we're going to take out the wires inside like this. You can use scissors or machete. Okay, so now as you can see, those two main wires were split into two and there are 4 wires total. Then after preparing this, we are using this hook screw to hang the chandelier to the ceiling. We are putting the hook screw to the ceiling and hanging the chandelier by the hook screw. Then when it's secure, we are going to make the connections like this. There are 2 wires on your ceiling. Şunu tut şöyle. You're going to use one of each cables from both sections. One of here and one of here. You're taking both and wiring it to any of the wires on your ceiling. Yep. And then for the second one, again, one of each wires will be wired to the other one. It doesn't matter which one you wire. I mean, this part could be here or this part could be here. It doesn't make any difference. And as you can see, it's on. Thank you. Tamam.